Hi everyone, welcome to the product reveal video. This is Donna and today I'm sharing the newly released Wonkey Donkey clear stamp set. This is a 4x6 stamp set featuring the most handsome donkey I've ever seen. There are 3 large images in the stamp set, each featuring a different facial expression. I think the one laughing is just hysterical and I can't stop smiling every time I see it. So anyway, the images themselves are a little bit on the larger side, with the biggest one in that bottom left corner measuring about 2 inches across by about 2 3/4 inches in height. There are several sentiments in this stamp set that are just really funny, and some of them are with a bit of sarcasm. So there's some funny slang words in the set as well, and my favorite has to be whip-de-doo, because I may or may not say it frequently. Anyway, I have one card to share with you featuring all 3 of the images of this handsome guy. I did combine the new Alphabet Mini stamp set to create my own custom sentiment, and I will have a video tutorial for this card on Monday, November the 16th, so stay tuned for that. As always, do pop on over to Whimsy Stamp's website to see all of the newly released products, as well as the amazing cards that the other design team members have created. Thank you so much for stopping by today, and I will see you another time.